Okay, so I am out here with one of our biggest clients and investors. He's become a good friend of mine. He owns a pharmacy right across the street. And now he just purchased this whole complex. And his tiny little pharmacy is pumping out thousands and thousands of orders every day. So now we're gonna outfit this huge space to do many, many more. But there's gonna be a lot of work for us to do inside. So let's see what we got going on.
All right, so this is space one, which I don't think there's any way around not keeping this as like where patients would pick up prescriptions.
Yeah, because
drive-throughs here and it's already done.
Right,
like, we could literally just keep that. So then the question becomes, okay, well, if all the pickup is happening here, how do we lay out the rest of the space to the consulting guys that I don't like that came in? They were like, because of all the power and the way the HVAC and shit is ran over here, they were recommending this would be where basically you start building the labs. So like you have a lab here and you could go down. If we opened it up, you can go this way. So right now over here, you've got, again, this will just be, I think, it's kind of weird for us because like normally when people are coming to pick up, all the other actions behind it.
Yeah.
And so now it's like, okay, well, if we're using this as pickup, how does that kind of play in? And I don't know. I'm gonna have to play with the floor plan.
Okay, yeah. So I mean, we have to keep the flow of people picking things up. So this is front of house.
So if I'm the patient and I'm coming in to like pick up a prescription, do we make it to where maybe extend this out or something?
Yeah, like make a counter here.
It's almost like if we could just move that this way, it would have been better because.
Yeah, but dude, you need an architect.
Yeah, but who does a pharmacy?
It doesn't matter. We just need to find a layout that works for you. You're talking about like all the systems you've created. You already know what you want in your head.
Yeah.
I have a dude that'll do this quick and dirty and just at least show us like what counters are we building, like
sure, where are we putting this, where are we putting that. So then obviously this is just your bake area. So yeah, I guess the question becomes, and maybe, yeah, if you have an architect that could help.
Well, all this has to come out.
So that's the question, does it?
Yes.
Why so?
I don't think it makes any sense.
Right, because how do you connect it to your workflow?
Yeah, like you can't let these things hold you hostage. It's not like it's gonna cost you that much.
No, this is easy to take out. What we don't want to do is like start moving bathrooms, right?
No,
like,
the bathrooms can stay, but the other thing is like, I don't think there's any load-bearing walls in this whole place.
My mindset when I was talking to you about like demoing was kind of like, why don't we just open it up?
Get it all out, yes.
So let me show you the next space.
Okay. I mean, dude, I think, honestly, I really think all of this, like everything gets torn out. We'll leave that wall. We'll leave the bathrooms where they are.
So this is kind of our, these are our spaces.
Yeah.
Now you're going to see these spaces, obviously.
These three.
Yep. That's the key here is it has to be laid out well.
How do we feel about like the outside?
Outside's fine.
We just got to get signage up, that's it?
But this is basically made out to be a kind of like a primary care doctor. Because you have your check-in, check-out, and then you come in here and you've got treatment.
All the different rooms.
Treatment room, treatment room, treatment room, treatment room. And then you have bathroom, bathroom, bathroom.
Wow. We tear out everything and just leave the bathrooms for now.
Yeah, because see, like even like if this were all open, it would be way easier for me to kind of visualize.
Yes.
Like where the lab should be.
Yes.
And,
Yeah, so dude, look at this. Nothing is load bearing in this whole space. This is awesome. Like there's your sub panel right there, but we're gonna rewire everything, so it doesn't matter. The main panels would be a bitch. We'll keep those where they're at.
Yeah, for sure.
But all of this is no problem.
Do we open this whole thing up or do we just open up like a gap?
Open it up.
You open the whole thing up?
Yep. Mm-hmm. We need a clean slate.
Yeah.
And then we will decide, like putting these walls up is so easy, dude. Oh, that's perfect. So packing's here isolated,
Yep.
Okay? And then we have refrigerators, we have coolers, we have storage for boxes.
Packing, yeah.
And then it goes right out there. It's all isolated to where customers don't know. Then we have the labs. There's a lot of plumbing over there. So if the labs need plumbing, we can use those bathrooms in the middle bay.
Yeah.
And then, so you have packing, labs, and then front of house is just where where they're coming to pick up directly.
Yeah.
What percentage of like the business is that though?
Like 3%, 2%.
That's
but
crazy.
it's still, I mean, that still becomes 50 to 80 people a day.
What?
Yeah. So again, remembering the flow, right? You've got you have your labs, the production, all the shit comes out, it goes into refrigerators near production.
Yes.
They take those, the production workstations need to be by those refrigerators.
Right, so that's
pull and fill.
Right, so labs, production's fridge.
And then it goes from the pharmacist to checkout, and then from checkout to packing.
Yes.
So that's what we need to figure out, is because now that if front of house
they'll have to walk
there,
all the way back here.
Right. Which, if that's the case,
that'll be okay,
not
right?
Not the end of the world.
So I have a very good client who owns a pharmacy, and he just bought a building that's quite a bit bigger. It's like 6,300 square feet.
Okay.
Our plan is I'm gonna get this existing, there's like a bank and there's like a doctor's office. I'm gonna get all this demoed, but then I want you to come in, meet us here, take a scan of the whole building, and then he has some very specific programming on different types of rooms he needs and things that he wants. But I think we can just start laying out spaces like pretty damn quick. I mean, I'm just gonna get guys out here and I'll just let you know what it costs, and we'll just do it for as low as we can.
Start demoing it all out.
The progress that you would see just in 1 week would be insane.
Okay.
I think by 2 weeks, it's completely done.
Okay.
And then what we'll do is we'll leave all of this wiring and stuff, like we'll leave like the studs that hold these things up.
Yeah.
And then we get with the electrician on how they want to demo those wires and all that. But
Yeah.
okay, we're back out here at the pharmacy. We got Ryan, Vale, Pedro. Let's give you guys the rundown. So 100, 110, and what's the other one, 120? We want to basically keep, for now, this section, okay? Let me show you, there's a huge panel. There's like a big ass service right here. So I guess this service, I want you to look at all this, because what you're gonna do, just keep this. Everything else is demoed. Everything. Take the whole ceiling down. Everything.
Everything, metal.
Everything.
Okay.
Except this?
Yeah, for right now.
Except this area.
Just this area. But, so look, there's wiring gonna be everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, this can come out.
Okay.
Take all the flooring out. Everything from this portion over. We need all these walls. I don't think any of this is load bearing.
Oh no.
Right? It's all commercial building, so it's going to be metal frame. There's going to be metal trusses.
Yep.
Do me a favor though, keep the bathrooms.
Okay.
So what I did with each dumpster is right here. So just bring it right out. And then the second one I put over there near that door. Okay, so you'll have two. So we'll kind of leave this section too, but everything after this wall, take it all out. So this whole entire wall, all the ceiling, everything up there. And then they're gonna leave wires hanging for you.
Okay, now.
Okay, because there's a lot, I mean, there was some massive power in there. Let's go look at this second room. Yeah, so I guess on this one, just leave this to this corner, Pedro. Take it from this corner out.
Okay.
So to keep this door.
Okay.
We'll keep that door just like that, okay?
So the drywall, the walls and ceiling coming out.
Gone.
Okay.
Everything.
Floor, carpet.
HVAC, every single light fixture,
Save something or everything is trash.
it's all trash.
Okay.
Now let's go check out this one. Now we got 110. So now this, all this shit, take it all out. This used to be like a doctor's office. So all these little mini offices, they all get removed. The only thing, again, there's bathrooms. So there's a bathroom here, a bathroom here, and a bathroom here. Everything else comes out. Here's another panel. Yeah, we need to shut off everything. What, do we need to kill power to the whole space? We need this whole space open.
Open.
And then look, another dumpster right there.
That's good.
So that'll be easy.
Yep.
Okay?
We're keeping
3 bathrooms.
Yeah. Oh
Correct.
God, what happened in here? Oh. Cockroaches flew down. This is what kind of doctor's office is this?
the assistant care.
Yeah. So once we get demoed, then the architect's gonna come in and he's gonna get a survey of everything. Do not touch this wall. That is an active, yes, there's a dentist's office on that side. But look, now you can see what we're dealing with.
So this is like what it looks like.
Yes.
Above all the
So now you can see what we're dealing with. This is gonna be more of a warehouse that they're gonna use for shipping. We're gonna have to fix that slab, but this is the back side of that panel, Volley.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, because this sub panel's not gonna, it's not gonna make any more sense. Maybe that one at the very front, but even so, you're probably gonna have to run all new wire from it, right? We gotta go look at this main panel. So look, I mean, you got 18-foot tall studs.
Yeah. Call the main panel, no power.
No power,
No power. Necesitamos cortar todo.
right?
Because we need more all the walls.
Yeah.
All the walls coming out. So.
Yeah, because we don't want,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Put like 2 or 3 outlets for work.
So how do you wanna work, like while he's demoing and you doing wire and stuff like that?
Yo voy a quitar el chirro primero. Cuando está el chirro quitado,
Oh, okay.
ya andamos de
Sheetrock first,
And
okay.
then I'll come and
Yeah.
All right, good.
Ceilings and drywall.
Yeah, so pull down all the ceiling tiles, he'll see all the
Yeah,
wires.
you can see it.
Yeah.
All
Then we
right,
can
muy
start
bien,
demo.
muy bien. And you're just gonna periodically check in.
Yeah.
So, step 1, get the whole space opened. Step 2, get the architect in so he can do a survey. And then step 3, we're gonna start designing the new framing for the space. They're gonna come up with an electric plan.
Okay.
They have like crazy HVAC needs that, there's like all this crazy power demands and like, so it's kind of like doing a hospital because it's a lab.
Okay.
So we might just like run the power where they need it and then they'll outfit everything.
Okay.
And you don't have a problem doing metal stud? We can get these are metal 2x6s.
Yeah.
Is it easier than wood?
Yeah.
It's a little faster, right?
Yeah.
And it's straight.
Straight. Yes, sir.
Oh, and it has all your spaces to run your wires.
Yeah. Yeah, this come with this hole.
Nice. Send me invoices for everything. You don't need scaffolds, you start at the bottom and it just falls down.
No, because it has like
No, you just, and you go
coming down.
like this.
Okay.
Like Tetris. Yeah, so look, this is the trusses that they have.
So it's gonna be a clinic or lab?
Both. It's a pharmacy, but they make their own drugs.
Oh, okay. I think it's a
I think it's water lines. Oh yeah, because you know how dentists have all those little like. Do you think 2 weeks you could have it all demoed?
2 weeks? Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
2 weeks. Yes. Yes, sir.
Let's see. Look,
They use. Come on, Juanito. Don't break your feet, man. It's 5 minutes per hour, John.
here. hold this.
What's he saying, the shine?
Oh,
Here's Johnny!
Do you want to do it again?
Here's Johnny!